active. We are on our way to go grocery shopping for Thanksgiving because we're hosting it this year. So my mom wants me to go giant with her.
Hello.
Because Trader Joe's always has a line, so I don't really want to go there.
This is not a line. This is Virginia.
There's no line?
There's no line.
Oh.
Don't go that far. It's on the way back. I only need to get some hydrangeas and stuff.
Fine.
That's just so
Let us go. We just got a Trader Joe's and look at all these cute succulents. So cute. I want the purple one, but I don't really like the pot. I'm gonna try to not get any of these. Just push in the cart. Just stand around while she just shops. Oh my god, they have brie with truffles. I know this is my favorite truffle cheese from here. Thank you! Hydrangeas. Hello, I am on my way to meet Justin and Ashley for some Crumbl Cookies. I'll probably go to the gym after and do like a quick upper body workout. And I think I'm gonna head to Hoko straight after, so I'll see you guys when I get some cookies. Hi!
Hi. Oh shit.
Oh, my keys are here.
So rude.
What if she does it again?
Where is it?
Right here. It's like minor, but I like wiped it off. But you can barely see it, but can I do it to her?
Sitting there like looking at her, and she like literally just slammed open her
Take a
door.
picture of our license plate.
Yeah, that's what I said.
We're looking for the perpetrator here.
I'm not. Who's that?
Is she in there?
Well, at least I'm not breaking people's cars.
First, because you're.
Day 4 of having my Monstera. It still looks pretty good. There's a little browning on some of the leaves, like right here. But I haven't watered it since next day I bought it. And the soil still seems pretty good. And when I did my research, you're only supposed to water it like every 7 to 10 days. So that's what I've been trying to stick to. And I use the app Planta. Shout out to Rachel. And it just reminds me of when to water it and everything like that. I do use a spray bottle like this and spray the leaves because it thrives in a lot of humidity, since I believe they grow a lot in tropical rainforests. So yeah, it's still looking pretty good. And my mom added this planter, which I love because it does match my room. So thank you. Hello, it is about 5:30 now. I just finished doing some like editing and schoolwork. I have a lot of assignments when I get back from break, so it's not really a break, it's more like no classes, but I still have the same, or if not more, workload. I just got dressed for the gym. My outfit is from Lulu, and this jacket is actually from Whey, because I was looking for cropped jackets, like zip-up jackets for working out. And I really like it because it's very lightweight. So I got this in gray and black. And this is actually dark blue. It's just not really showing well on the camera. But yeah, I'm about to go drink a protein shake or something to refuel my body and then go work out. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night, but I shall keep you guys updated. Good afternoon. It is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. It is about almost 3 o'clock right now. I already went to make a quick grocery run for my mom. I'm gonna go downstairs right now and see what I can help with. So let's go downstairs. Chad. We're so nervous. Come on, be nice. I like your hair.
Thank you.
Say hi.
Hi.
Now it's Charlie's turn.
These are all my friends.
Uh-huh. Everyone's hanging out in the lounge. What? We're playing Among Us. I'm trying to learn because it's my first time. We're all in a room. Let's see how I like it. Among Us didn't work. It kept kicking out people. So we're playing a mystery game. Let's solve case
Look for me till let's go. Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more.
We're at the mall. Some more food. And then I'm just gonna drop them off and go home. PJ and Ashley are supposed to come over later to study, so I'll see you guys later. I got Whitney Simmons whole pack of blue slush. And I got Sean this whole pack of 3D. Time to go home. Say bye. Bye. Look alive. It's not cold, so let's Elon Musk. Wow, this is the best flavor yet. A solid 9 out of 10. Vitamins. And then she got me some of my favorite chips. She brought these Kit Kats. Kit Kat Duo, mint and dark chocolate. Cheers! I'm gonna trim Heejin's hair. Wish me luck.
Spontaneous decision.
Minimally trim, but enough for the thin parts to even out. We should have been studying. It's 9:10 something right now. She's on something else. Down to study. We never did. Ended up taking pictures. It's just the girls. Maybe I'll insert some of the pictures here. We've been saying my last brain 2 cells. We're done. Hairstylist, don't judge me. Yeah, help us both. Bye, Ashley. Drive safe. Ow! 12:19. Coffee break. We got devil number 1 here and we got devil number 2 here. Like, I think I'm losing last brain 2 cells.
Can you guys stop bringing that up?
It's currently 8:34. And I'm just trying to study. But I got these little devils on my shoulder.
You know the world can see us. Straight to believe. We're making free! Oh, my birthday girl tonight! Jonathan, where you at, my boy? Jonathan!
I swear they're sober.
Let me ask Ricky to the table.